Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the right engine mount on Opel Astra J 1.7 CDTI. The right engine mount is located just underneath this air filter housing. So in order to get access to the right engine mount, we need to remove the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the air filter housing out. Now we have access to the engine mount. The engine mount is held by 6 bolts, 3 on this side and 3 on the engine side. Before we remove the bolts for the engine mount, first we're going to remove this engine under tray, and now we're going to jack up the engine with a jack, and then we're going to remove the bolts of the engine mount and replace it. Here now I'm showing you where the bolts are exactly. There is 1, 2, 3 over there and 3 on the engine side. Next I'm going to jack the engine and hold it in place while I remove the bolts for the engine mount. Now that the bolts are removed, I can take out the engine mount and replace it. That's the engine mount. Next I'm going to put on the engine mount. We do exactly the same as removing it. We put it in its place, put the bolts on, tighten them, and then we can remove the jack from underneath. Afterwards we're going to put on the air filter housing, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.